Hello, all you boys and girls. It's Michael again from MTG and more. Boy, oh boy, has it been a long time since I've been posting videos for you guys. And the main reason for that is, well, of course, it's been a COVID year, and 2020 hasn't been as good for me as I wanted it to be. No, I didn't get it, but no, I had a close shave a couple of times. So I took it easy and focused more on my work at home. But enough about me. Glad I'm still here. Thank you for asking. I'm doing fine. But it's time to do some unboxing again. So without further ado, we have the Executioner's Chariot expansion for Dark Souls. This is it, guys. This is the first expansion outside of the Kickstarter, and there was a method for retailers to achieve this box set, and I have been waiting for the official release to been talking about it. So here it is, the Executioner's Chariot. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. That's bullshit, of course. Here's the sides. Absolutely nothing. Here is the sides, same. Then we have some exciting pictures that seems to be two horses and the Executioner itself, some fire, and that's about it. And then on the other side there's absolutely nothing as well. The contents of the box, it says 6 enemy miniatures, 2 enemy data cards, 10 encounter cards, 2 Executioner's Chariot miniatures, 2? Wow. 1 Executioner's Chariot health dial, 1 Executioner's Chariot data card, 16 Chariot behavior cards, 2 Executioner's Chariot treasure cards, 1 Megaboss setup card, and 1 Megaboss board game board. 1 rules insert. So yeah, this is what's in the game. I think it's time to unwrap the plastic. Will it be as easy? Oh my god, this time it's actually easy. Don't have to take it off screen or anything. There you go. Shoot. And then we're stuck with this a little bit more easy to see artwork. And since this is also the first time, I have no idea what I'm up against. And yeah, let's see. Ooh, that was a silly sound. So we have the Executioner's. Oh, this is the setup booklet. It's the introduction. Some cards. There's a fly. So this is basically the new manual. Then we have. What do we have? A board. Oh, this is actually pretty big. So let's use this as our background. There you go. Ah, nice. So we have this background, and then we have another background. I need more space. Hold on. Yes, I'm doing this in one take, as you are used from me. What the hell is this? There was something on the table. Sorry for that, guys. So, I think this one is... Oh, sorry for that. Oh, how amateuristic this video is. I'm so glad to be back, guys. So, I think this one is better. This is the map. So, let's take our box back again. And then we see a white insert, which is really nice to draw upon. What do we have here? So it's said to... Hold on. Just a second. Two Executioner's Chariot miniatures. Okay, the box isn't relevant anymore. Oh, we have the dial. So that's that. But you guys all came for this. And of course I'm going to show you guys just this. There you go. So these seem to be the two executioners. They're basically the same miniature. They're a bit strange. At least that's what I think. But then again, I'm not really familiar with the game. I just love this expansion and I love to do this. So that's one. Then we have, I think this is the standing executioner, and I do have to admit these miniatures are really cool. Then we have the Chariot. Actually, the plastic here. See, the plastic is actually pretty cool. It's hard plastic with soft inserts. It says Dark Souls the board game underneath. And here we have space to plug the miniature in, like so, I suppose. Oh, there's a piece of plastic on here. There you go. What I find is that there's almost no mold lines. So that's pretty cool too. There you go. See, it's supposed to be like this. Then you will have a pretty cool miniature. Attached to that is this, which should be like that, I suppose. It's a double-headed horse. And I don't think it looks all too healthy. But then again, it's Dark Souls, is it? Yeah. Two-headed horses, always nice. Then we have, and this is pretty cool, this interests me. We have some skeletons. So the skeletons are pretty easy to paint. And I think they will see a lot of skeleton horde contrast. Yes. So these two seem the same. What about these two? Would you believe that? They're the same as well. So they're just one pose. But that doesn't matter because they'll kill you anyway. Here is the mounting holes for the dial you just saw, and then here in the box we have movement cards. Oh, this is a hollow black mage. Yeah, that explains a bit more. So, I'm not going to show you this because this is the whole base of the game. There is some more in here actually. Didn't see that, sorry for that. Yeah, these are just small cards. And some cards to use. Okay. So I'm not going to show you that deck because that's the behavior deck. And that's the whole base of the game, or this expansion basically, together with the miniatures. So, one last glance at the Executioner's Chariot. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. We're nearing the end of the first video of a new, I hope, age of stupidity, fun, and more videos. So if you'd like this video, give it a good thumbs up. Please feel free to subscribe. It only costs you a second and it will mean the world for me. And I can continue making more videos. So thank you for watching. If you want to see this painted, go to miniature painting which will be shown up here in the data card. And subscribe there too, because I can paint like no one else in the world. That isn't a lie. And I will be having some golden demon results of this. Of course, that is a lie, because, well, I paint, and I paint for fun. I don't care what you think about it. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. May the dice be forever in your favor, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.